All right, let's talk about where this goes next. We have one more thing to look at in topic 1.8, a very special scenario that we can use to evaluate limits. In topic 1.9, we'll bring it all together and connect all of the various ways we have of representing limits. And then what we'll do in the very near future is we will use this idea of a limit to formally define the idea of continuity. In fact, if you go back and look, maybe in particular at some of the graphs, look at where functions were not continuous and see if you can maybe establish some ideas regarding limits, how limits apply to the continuity of a function. So we'll use limits to define continuity. And then remember, we're still trying to build up to this moment where we can talk about instantaneous rate of change. We're still trying to get to this point here where we can talk about the limit as delta x approaches 0 of our change in y over change in x, that very first topic we looked at here in AP Calculus. And the thing about limits is it's going to seem like maybe they're not as much in the foreground here, or it's not much in our face in terms of what we're doing. But limits actually are always working in the background of calculus and all of our main ideas. So our other fundamental ideas of calculus, all of them are built upon this idea of a limit, that we can describe the behavior of a function at a particular value where maybe the function is undefined at the value, but the limit will tell us how the function is behaving at that value. And that's a really critical idea moving forward in this class.